stage presentation one-on-one. Again, I'm going to fly through this, guys, because they're going to be winding me up pretty shortly. Number one point with stage presentation, if you're performing up on stage, is sway to the beat of the song. Groove to the beat of the song. Just do this. Don't stand still like this ever. I don't care how slow the song is. Just groove to the song. Yes. Let's do some grooving, guys. Everybody stand up for us. Let's go to Adele. Okay. We're going to just groove.
There's a fire starting in my heart.
It's going to get easier once the beat comes in. That's the beat. See what's grooving? Okay, no clapping now. Do it to the drums. That's the beat. We can go double time. If you want to go double time, you can do that as well too. So, that was great. Now, guys, snare drum. That's a heartbeat, yeah? Everyone know what the snare drum is? Okay? So that's the one we want to be swaying to. So I don't care what you call it, dancing, grooving, swaying, you got to do that even if it's just small. But the most important point with this is it's going to keep you in time. It's super important to keep you in time. Everybody knows 4 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're only coming in, okay, on 1. So make sure that we're always just doing that. You can do more, you can do less, okay, but that's the number one thing you want to do, okay?